Hi, you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. If you're new here, this is Pavitra Iyer. So, today I'm going to be sharing how I shave my facial hair at home. So, if you're interested in this video and know how to shave your face at home without any hassle, and at the same time, how I take care of my skin after shaving, then continue watching. Firstly, let's get started with clean face. I have already washed my face and I have like very little hair on my face. It's not crazy. So first I'll be like after washing my face I use aloe vera gel. You can use aloe vera gel or moisturizer. You can do it bare face also, but I don't prefer that because you never know, you may get cuts because of the dry skin. So I usually avoid doing it with my bare face. And I have these two razors with me. This is from Eusepso and this one is called as Can. It comes in three razor packet which retails for 200 rupees. I got it from Nika. I have also used the Tinkle one, which is the famous super duper razor, but today I'll be using this Eusepso one. Okay, now let's start shaving. Make sure you're not shaving off your side locks because that don't look natural according to me. If you like shaving, then you can go ahead and do that, but I like to protect my side lock like this, and then I stretch my skin a bit and then start shaving. You can see how smoothly the hair comes out. And make sure you're holding your razor in 45-degree angle slantly. You should not hold your razor towards your skin upwards or downwards. Just keep your razor slantly for 45 degree as I showed you guys, and then start shaving. So just be very gentle while shaving. Make sure you're up close into the mirror and watching what you're doing, and be very gentle, you guys. Even though this facial razors are meant to remove your facial hair, but still you have to be very careful because our skin is very sensitive. And yeah, now you can see how easily my hair is removed. And now removing my upper lip area, making sure my razor is in same direction. Always keep in mind you have to shave your hair in the way your hair is growing, not on the opposite direction of your hair. So that will be very easy. And once I have like done shaving my upper lip, I'm gonna be shaving my lower chin as well, like this. I have like lot of peach fuzz, blackheads, whiteheads, so that is the reason I prefer face shaving like 2 months once, or maybe more than that. I don't shave my face like regularly. And now you can see the difference of removing hair. So I'm gonna be doing same thing on the other side of my face as well. Also, there is a lot of misconception about facial shaving with the razor. They say your hair will grow back thicker. No, you guys, trust me when I say that, because I have been face shaving, or I have been using razor on my face from like more than 8 years now, and I have never faced any such situation or any such problems. Also, I have recommended people to use a razor, and they have even enjoyed and liked how their skin feels after using razor. So just try it once and get to know how your skin feels. It's super easy and it is painless, you guys. You know how it feels when you wax your face or when you thread your face. I don't usually do all that because I don't like going to parlor or salon at any cost. I do everything by myself. And yeah, this is one thing I have to tell you guys. Just try once and you'll know if you need it or not. Now I'm gonna be shaving my forehead like this, just making sure my eyebrow is in shape. Be very careful while doing your eyebrows, and then voila, we are done with the shaving. I make sure I use pulley and check whether my eyebrows is in shape and how I like them. Also, make sure you keep cleaning your razor with cotton pad or tissue. So once I'm done shaving, this is how it takes off. All the dirt, gunk, hair, everything is out of your skin. And now just go ahead and wash your face. I like to wash my face, and this is how my face looks after washing. It feels really soft, smooth, supple, and most importantly, shaving your face will give you that smooth canvas to apply your makeup. The makeup glides on your skin super duper smooth, you guys. Also, when you use razor on the nose, it will help to remove blackheads or whiteheads, and that also makes the nose part very smooth. Okay, now for the after shaving care, I'm gonna be using the toner first. I'll just apply it with the cotton pad and swipe it across my face first. This will ensure if there is any dirt or gunk, it will take out, and at the same time it will close up the pores. For this step you can use rose water, but I like to use this cucumber toner because it's super nice and also takes out all the dirt and gunk, which I really prefer. And now once I'm done swiping across my face, I'm gonna be using same toner and pat it nicely into my skin. So this will ensure my skin is hydrated and moisturized. Also gives you that soothing effect because your skin have gone through this shit and your skin needs to calm down a bit. So this has to be done. Patting it nicely will ensure your skin gets that hydration, smoothing effect. So just don't forget to do this step. So once I have applied the toner, this is how my skin looks. It feels so hydrated. Now I'll be using serum. This is the Water face serum. I'm gonna be applying generous amount of serum all over my face, and I massage this nicely into my skin. This will ensure again your skin is hydrated, and it also calms the redness, or if you have like any irritation on your skin after shaving, this will help to calm down. So just apply serum or moisturizer at this step. And voila, we are done with the face shaving and aftercare. I really hope this video was helpful. Do let me know in the comment section if you have any doubts regarding face shaving. Also, look at my skin, you guys. It's super hydrated. It has that glowing effect on my skin after shaving. I really love how my skin feels. With that being said, I'll wrap up this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching.